Good day, everyone. Here's a report in clinical microscopy, chapters 10, 11, and 12. A 22-day-old premature baby is monitored in ICU because of frequent vomiting, lethargy, rashes, stiff neck, increased irritability, fever, bulging fontanelle, which is the soft spot on the top of the head, and seizure activity. The doctor requested different laboratory tests and performed a CSF collection. 3 tubes were sent into the laboratory. Tube 1 for clinical chemistry, Tube 2 for microbiology, and Tube 3 for hematology.
Based on the table 9.6, page 196, book of Susan King Strassinger entitled Urinalysis and Body Fluids, there are ways to differentiate bacterial, fungal, viral, and TB meningitis by means of the gathered results from the laboratory tests. Based on this table, elevated WBC count were seen in bacterial meningitis, wherein neutrophils were present dominantly. Marked protein elevation, markedly decreased glucose level, lactate level is greater than 35 mg per deciliter, and positive gram stain and bacterial antigen test. While on viral meningitis, elevated WBC count is also seen, wherein lymphocytes are dominantly present, moderate protein elevation, normal glucose level, and normal lactate level. Then tubercular meningitis shows that also an elevated WBC count, lymphocytes and monocytes are present dominantly, moderate to marked protein elevation, decreased glucose, and lactate level is greater than 25 mg per deciliter with pellicle formation. While fungal meningitis shows an elevated WBC count, also lymphocytes and monocytes are dominantly present, moderate to marked protein elevation, normal to decreased glucose level, lactate level greater than 25 mg per deciliter, positive in Ninja Inc. with Cryptococcus neoformans, and positive immunologic test for Cryptococcus neoformans.
The physical examination of the specimen, the CSF is turbid, while for the chemical examination, glucose level is markedly decreased, protein is 100 mg per deciliter, which is markedly increased, lactate level is 80 mg per dl. For the microscopic examination, WBC count is elevated, which is 90% neutrophil. To confirm the causative agent of bacterial meningitis, additional lab tests were done. The organism is gram-positive cocci in pairs. For antimicrobial susceptibility testing or AST, the organism is susceptible for vancomycin and cefotaxime. For CSF culture, the final report is positive after 24 hours of incubation, and biochemical tests reveal that the organism is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Slide number 7 shows a picture of Streptococcus pneumoniae in blood agar plate. Notice the presence of alpha hemolysin. And for the treatment, antibiotics given are vancomycin and cefotaxime. Intravenous dosage of vancomycin is 60 mg or kilograms per day. Maximum daily dose is 2 to 4 grams, and dosing interval is every 6 hours. While cefotaxime, intravenous dosage is 200 to 300 mg or kilograms per day. Maximum daily dose is 8 to 10 grams. Dosing interval is every 6 hours. So, based on the laboratory results, the doctor concluded that the infant has bacterial meningitis.